Yeah, you know, see, that's why me not like when you call my phone. Every time you call my phone, you call with the same rascal argument. The same argument about me and this girl, Kim. I'm tired for tell you, say me and Kim no dead cash. Me tell you already, say me nah come over your yard. Kish, you know, say me and your mother no get along, Kish. What me I do over there the last time I come over there, she try kiss me. Kish, this not have nothing to do with Kim. That not because Kim living at the yard why me no want come over there, Kish. I know that me and your mother just don't get along, Kish. Kish, you gonna left me for what? What me do? Kish, you mean me cheat? Me never know say we did a do an exam. Then Kish, even if me cheat, nothing wrong with that. Because me cheat, cause I want pass.